kitchen, come along. Cooking sweet magic all day long. Delicious delicacies, fresh and fine. Every recipe tastes divine. Luxury cakes baked with care. Beautiful pastries everywhere. Agro confessions, sweet kitchen, let it glow, sweet creations. Still in the show, cakes, pastries, drinks so nice. Every bite tastes paradise. Let it glow, let it glow. Teaching skills step by step, baking secrets you won't forget. Simple DIYs you can try. Turn your passion into supply. Turn your passion